Hey, 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 yeah, who is the consumer crazy enough to buy four Sonos Hay speakers? These are the special edition colors for the Sonos One uh, that came out recently, and I splurged and I bought four out of the five colors. I got the pale yellow, the soft pink, vibrant red, and forest green. The only one I didn't get was the light gray. Looks cool, but so close to black and white, I didn't think it was worth the extra money for that one. But now, moment of truth. Let's see how well these hay colors pop. I got my trusty box cutter here. I'm gonna open these little guys up and show you what the hay is with the hay speakers. All right. You know what? This is going to take a little bit of time, so I'm going to cut away and just show you the results. There we go. Packaging is basically the same as your regular Sonos One speaker. Before I unwrap that, I want to see if they match the cables like they do with the black and whites. There we go. Well, not with the yellow one at least. You get the white cable. Now let's see what the colors are like. And voila! Through the magic of the pause button on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 video recording, I am able to show you the colors without having to edit this video or go through the ordeal of opening each box on camera. There we go. Forest green, vibrant red, soft pink, and pale yellow. Now, as I just showed you, the pale yellow came with the white cable. The pink comes with a white cable as well, but the green and red come with black cables. So unfortunately, they don't match the cables to the speaker colors, and that is a problem. But, oh man, the speakers themselves. These are nice colors. I know people like to get the same color to pair their speakers, but if you got the yellow and the pink together, that would be pretty nice for a bedroom. You know, pink or to match your decor, because they do look nice and they do look nice together. But man, I think I like the yellow the best. It may not be reading as well on the camera here, maybe getting a little green in the camera, but this is definitely a very nice yellow. And the pink, well, again, these are true to their descriptions. This is a soft pink. That was a pale yellow. Very nice. This is definitely a rich forest green. This is the speaker that I wanted the most for my office. Very cool. And whoa, dang. This vibrant red is quite vibrant. This is a real red. So if you were thinking of this matching with your other red stuff, you know, be careful. Make sure your other stuff is red too. This won't work with maroon or burgundy. This is red, and I like it. I like it a lot. Whew. Kind of like that scene in the Star Wars The Last Jedi where they're fighting the red super troopers or whatever the hell they're called. I don't follow Star Wars too much. But yeah, if you are a fan of The Last Jedi, and I know there aren't that many of them, maybe this is the speaker for you to imitate that throne room scene or whatever they call it. All right, but very nice. I love the colors. I'm all about the colors. I'm happy that they offer these over the boring black and white. Are they worth the $30 premium? That's up to you. If you really need this for your decor, go for it. If you really love color like I do, go for it. These are definitely thumbs up for the speakers themselves, but thumbs down for not having the matching cords. Again, it's white for these guys and black for these guys. That's thumbs down. But otherwise, very nice. Very nice. I could just play with these things all day long. Stack them up. Hey, I think they got a deal now. You get a few bucks off the more you buy. So buy a bunch and make a tower of Sonos. Boom. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.